Hey, it's Greg McIntyre Elder Law, helping seniors protect their assets and legacies. And I'm up at our Hendersonville office location that we're building out right now. Can't wait to serve the Hendersonville area. It's on the corner of East Allen and King Street. And this is the building. And our office is right inside that corner area and goes about 2/3 the way back the building there. This is an old warehouse building, and I'll show you some of the history behind it. This window here will be removed, and there will be an entire doorway that's put in just for our office there. Signage will be above, and we will have our office in there, and there will be, you'll walk in, there'll be a nice seating area, people to meet, greet you, and help you, but it's a good size office. And we're gonna have room for about 6 or 7 team members in addition to our attorney in this office. Really excited about it. And then as I walk up to the building, I love this old warehouse building that's been redone. It's the Romeo Professional Building, and we are in Suite D, which is no longer for sale. So that's got to be replaced. So that's where we will be. And I'd like to work on a little signage for this building. I know I'm going to have a fight to put the sign that I want to put, the lighted McIntyre Elder Law sign, right there, because not a lot of the other business owners inside have that. And there's a couple on the corner of the building that have been grandfathered in, but I'm going to have to meet with the Commercial Condo Association board and see what we can't do. But that's a must for me. Let's go inside. Let me take you inside. As you come in the front door, there's a little layout of the building. That was the plan. There's another law office here. Very nice guy, Ed Harrelson. And an Edward Jones office as well. We work really well with Edward Jones financial advisors. So Ty Keplinger is there. Got some pictures of the building. This was it before, the old warehouse building. It's been totally redone. That's it now. So it needed some work. It needed some work, and they've done a great job. Got the Hendersonville Symphony in the building with us. I think there's some pictures of this building too, the inside. Just all the metal and everything that was laying around and had to be torn out. Look at the back of it. Had to take that back off. What a project. Just a beautiful building now, and has all LED lighting, so it's very green in that way. Lots of skylights to let the light in naturally. We have a CPA in the building with us. Preferred Realty in the building with us in Hendersonville. And then this is our suite here. I'm excited that it's blocked off here. Because that means our contractors are in there working on things. Drum roll. I had not been in here since the contractors started the tear down. Oh my gosh. The entire ceiling has been removed and torn out to reveal super high ceilings and rafters, which look really, really cool. All that insulation, I'm not sure if it's gonna be left or torn out. We'll see, but it's all out. Must be being torn out. I don't know. No, these are all the ceiling tiles that they've got in that big construction bag. So they've been in here this week tearing everything out, removing flooring. You can see where they've been removing flooring. Revealing the concrete floor underneath. It's all concrete. This is just glue that's down from their previous floor. So everything's removed. Unreal. I love the exposed ductwork and those things. What we'll have to do is we'll have to figure out how we're going to position those. We might have to bring in one long round tube to run the length and then run these off, but we'll make them look pretty. So we'll have them be probably black metal tubes or the brush metal tubes. So it's exposed. This office here does not have a roof, and we will want privacy, some privacy in here, so we will most likely put a drop ceiling back in this one because it did have a drop ceiling, but we will put a new ceiling on this room. This will be a conference room with some televisions up and a big conference table. It's got a nice big window there. I just love the open concepts now. This is where that window was I showed you. This is where this will all be removed, and this will become a doorway. So this will be a doorway in to this waiting room area here, and then we'll have it blocked off maybe over to here with what we call communications, which will have the printers and everything in there as well. Either that or we'll have another room back here for printers, is what we talked about too. And then the attorney's office will be here and have a big window on that attorney's office. And then over here, we will have space all down the middle here and along the wall around there. And on that wall, there will be a ton of space for built-in offices that we're gonna do about 3/4 high walls, and maybe some glass partitions up above that, and carpet those inside to dampen the noise. So have a very open concept, and I'm extremely excited about it. And then I think we've got a little storage room / break room that we'll have in here once we're done, and put a new ceiling in there. Well, these guys have made some real progress, and I think we're pulling permits this week. I think they're pulling permits this week to go ahead and start the build out for whatever needs to be done to remove that wall and put that door in to the exterior, as well as some other things. I think we're probably gonna have to spray the whole ceiling black to black out the entire ceiling. Regardless, I think it's gonna look super once we're done. You wait, I can see it. And I think it's gonna be a prime office. Jake's gonna be up here. Jake Edwards, attorney from our office, and I will also be up here working the Hendersonville area. And I can't wait to serve the community here. It's gonna be awesome. And we're just probably, a month out from having this place really finished out. So I'll keep you up to date if you'll let me with some updates. I love stuff like this. So this is kind of part of what I do. I like developing out old spaces and making them look just awesome. So can't wait till this one's done. Stay tuned. The town of Hendersonville is absolutely beautiful. It's a cool town. Kind of reminds me of where I grew up in Shelby, North Carolina, but has a really cool uptown area where you can sit and eat or have a drink or have a cup of coffee. I'm going to go work at a coffee shop, but would love to show you around uptown Hendersonville a little bit. So if you'll hang with me, I'm gonna go walk the town. What a beautiful old courthouse right on Main Street. Beautiful uptown. I'm gonna go find a place to sit down and do some work. And I'll keep you updated on the build out. Can't wait to serve the Hendersonville area full time. I found a place to work, so I'm happy.
Oh, we do.